back to my channel. So today, you guys, I am super excited. You want to know why? Because I have a small haul from Starbucks. So if you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, sweetie. So you guys, I've been trying to find these particular Starbucks cup. Oh my goodness, ever since they came out, it's been hard to find it in my area. Oh my goodness, I had a rough time. But today, I was so excited. I was able to find this particular cup. And not only did I get one size, I got the smaller size too. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me tell you exactly what I end up getting. So, you guys, this is the summer collection. This is, I guess you consider series 2. Anyway, you guys, I finally was able, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous cup. This is so, oh my goodness, I love the colors. Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. So let me explain it. So anyway, you guys, this is the smaller version of this beautiful cup. And this is the front of the packaging, and it has this beautiful logo on it. I hope you can see it. It's an iridescent, the logo. I hope you can see it. And also, too, the colors. Oh, my goodness. I absolutely love the colors. They are gorgeous. It is a beautiful. It's like it's ombre. So at the bottom, it's kind of like a clear iridescent. Then it goes up to this beautiful, I want to say maybe kind of turquoise bluish color. And then it goes up to this beautiful like purple iridescent color. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. And then the design on it is kind of like a diamond shaped like raised design. Oh my goodness, can you hear it? Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. So this is what the front looks like. And this is what it looks like all around, you guys. I am so happy that I got this cup. And if those of you guys don't know, purple is my favorite color. I absolutely love it. So I showed you what it looks like, the front and all around. And so when I tilt it at the top, this is what it looks like. And it has this beautiful purple, like a deep purple straw. Oh my goodness, I am so happy over this particular cup. I love it, you guys. Ow! So let me open it up and show you what it looks like inside. So this is what the straw looks like. It's beautiful. And then at the inside, look how beautiful it looks. Oh my goodness. Oh, absolutely love it, you guys. I can't explain it. So you guys, the retail price I ended up paying for this cup was actually $16.95. And not only did I get the small one, you guys, I had to get the big one. I had to. So the big one is the exact same, except it's just bigger. So the colors, iridescent. The logo, once again, is iridescent. And then it has this beautiful ombre colors all around. And then it's beautiful diamond shaped and it's raised. It is so beautiful. Absolutely love it, you guys. And so once again, the same straw, beautiful, deep, beautiful purple. So everything is the same as this particular cup. So the only difference is that this actual cup costs $19.95. So, sweeties, so if you are interested in this particular cup, this is the summer collection, but I consider it the series 2. You guys, I absolutely love it. I recommend you to go get this particular cups. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. So I ended up getting this at my local Target. And so you might want to check your local Target out for these particular cups. So sweeties, that's all the haul that I have for you. So if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. And you guys leave a comment below. Sweeties, the ones that are new and you guys are subscribed to my channel, welcome to the family. I'm so excited and so happy that you guys are here. And then the ones that's been with me, that's been rocking with me since the beginning, you know you guys are always appreciated, and all of you guys are loved by me, and I'm appreciative and so excited that you guys are a part of my family. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye, sweeties.